In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I create this amazing pastel portrait. You are going to learn all the techniques that you need to know as an artist to improve your drawing skills or painting. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're an experienced artist and you want to improve your drawing and take it to the next level, come here as well and review the tips how I create my own artwork like this. If it's your first time coming across this channel, subscribe and stay tuned for more amazing artwork like this. Don't forget to subscribe and watch this video till the end. Sketch is another difficult challenge. What I say sketch is the backbone of every drawing, because before you draw, you already have the image that you want to draw. You understand? So having the image that you want to draw, definitely you are going to sketch, and it is sketch that is going to determine the beauty or how that drawing is going to look like. You understand? So you already have to, you sketch that which you want to sketch. You understand? After sketching it, then you start applying the shade or color, being whatever that you want to draw. You understand? Then lastly, what we're going to talk about is balancing and proportion. You as a beginner, sometimes you don't understand what is balancing and proportion. The space you have in making the artwork. You understand how good or how fit in that drawing is going to look like. Because I remember once I was coming as a beginner, any given space that I have, before I can draw, neither the drawing will overfill the space, or it's sometimes I manage to draw, but some of the space, some of the drawing will be missing. But I grow and I keep studying and understand how to fix a perfect balancing and my drawing into a given space, and everything will come inside very well. You understand? These are the basic tools that I use in creating my pastel portraits like this. Charcoal pencil and pastel, like this one that you're seeing here on the screen. It's pastel. Understand? So you as a beginner, all you have to do is you need to start with poster color. What I say poster color is that as a beginner, if you want to learn how to paint any artwork without pastel, but you need to start with poster color. Poster color help you to understand different types of color. You understand, from mixing of color, from secondary colors to primary color to tertiary colors. You understand? So when you understand the color theory, how to make this one, then you start learning how to apply them based on how the reflection of the object or figure that you are painting. You understand? Hope you learned something today on this lesson. See you in my next video.